Welcome to Dell Technologies Recover Point for Virtual Machines, How-To Series. Recover Point for Virtual Machines, How to Troubleshoot VRPA Appliance Disk Space Issues. Reference Dell Knowledge Article Number 188117. This video was created to provide necessary steps to validate disk space usage on VRPA virtual machines. When to do this? When you access Recover Point appliance using SSH or vCenter Web Console, and one of the messages is presented. Before you begin, make sure you have Power CLI modules installed and working, vCenter name, or IP, and administrator credentials. Copy of disk usage script provided in KB188117, and save it using a text editing tool, as diskusage.ps1. Troubleshoot VRPA appliance disk space issues, demonstration. Assuming Power CLI modules are installed, as part of the requirements for this KB, please open PowerShell application. In the first step, you will connect to your vCenter using Power CLI. Run the command displayed. On the server field, enter your vCenter name, or IP. On the user field, enter your vCenter username. On the password field, enter your vCenter user password. You are now connected to the vCenter. On the next step, you will run the script previously saved as diskusage.ps1. Locate where the script was saved and run it from PowerShell. Once the script finishes the execution, a CSV file will be generated containing your virtual machine disk usage information. Open the location where the CSV file was exported and open it with a text editor. Locate your RPA virtual machine and look for the disk freeze space value. If the value is lower or near 1.63 GB, the guest OS is full. Please contact Dell support team and make a reference to KB20587 in order to resolve your disk space issue on RPA appliance. Important notes. Once the steps provided are completed, you will see if the VRPA has any disk space issues. If you find that there is no more available disk space, please contact Dell support and make reference to KB20587. Refer to KB188117 document from Dell support page, in case you need more details regarding Power CLI modules installation. Thank you for watching.